Hey, how's it going? I'm Alex, and today I want to show you this mattress topper that this brand sent to me for this video, which I gotta tell you, we've been trying it for the past 2 or 3 nights actually already, and it's a it is for sure a game changer. I gotta tell you that it's a game changer. It comes in multiple sizes. This one is the king. My bed is a king, and this one is up to 4 inches tall. It's actually really nice and foamy and super nice and soft as well. So let's check it out. But it comes in this box. I want to tell you that it comes in this box. Will have to decompress it at least for 24 hours. So put it out of the bag and put it out of the bags, both bags, because it comes one with the topper and one with the foam, and let it rest for about like 24 hours, and then you'll have the max thickness, which is gonna be 4 inches total. Let's check it out. I don't know what's going on with this lady. So here's how it looks without, or actually with the bed sheet. So this is how it looks with the bed sheet. Looks like this. It's actually really nice and foamy and soft, as I was just telling you before. But I love 2 things about this one. Titi, you will have to actually move, if that's possible, my lady. So this is gonna be the topper. This is gonna be the 2 inches topper that comes right here on top of the actual foam. I love that the actual fabric, like this elastic fabric, it holds 4 mattresses that are super tall. Mine is 18 inches tall, as you can see, super tall, and it can hold it up to the bottom. So that's gonna be the thickness of the actual fabric. It comes with this really nice and breathable, so it's gonna be special for sleeping and just on hot days and things like that. And this is how the foam looks. It has different sections. It has one for your head, one for your back, one for your feet, one for your lumbar area, which is gonna be this one right here, which is the best one. But this foam, I gotta tell you that it really adds super nice cushion, a really nice cushion. It's 2 inches tall or thick, and this one 2 inches as well, adding a total of 4 inches. This thing, it's a must have, and it will change your sleeping experience. Guarantee and recommend it.